Envision this being your new home. The bay, you've got this beautiful garden, and the pool right here with these views from your home. Envision yourself being able to sit on your balcony, have coffee, tea, whatever is your pleasure, and all of those views of the St. Andrews Bay. Well, that's what you have here with all this open space. Fully functional kitchen that's perfect for downsizing. The spacious primary ensuite overlooks the trees and has this beautiful light. Bedroom, 2-bath, split floor plan. For more information, look in that description below. I've got the listing link there for you. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any more awesome deals. Oh, I forgot to say the light. You live? Nope, that didn't. Fully. Ample. Oh no, this is